Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Varsha. In this series, I am sharing my experience regarding the CA final classes. I have already shared my experience regarding FR, SFM and audit, and in this video, I am sharing my experience regarding the law classes. Although I initially did not take any classes for law because I had already covered law in my CS, that is CS professional and CS executive, so I was not feeling the need to take the classes again. So that time in November 19 I gave the attempt without any classes for law and I was able to score 47. I used Munish Bhandari sir's handbook and certain revision lectures of various faculties which are available on YouTube. Then I could not clear because my aggregate was below 200, because my focus was on group 2 and I could clear that. So in November 20 I again gave the attempt but I opted out. So in Jan 21, when I was preparing, Brahmastra batch by Unacademy was launched, and in that Amit Popli sir was taking the law classes. So Amit Popli sir's teaching is also very nice. I really liked his in-depth analysis of various concepts. You will really like his way of teaching. Amit sir is taking free live revision classes on YouTube for CA final revision. After this, he will be taking free inter revision batches live on YouTube. So you can attend that if you don't want to take any paid classes. Apart from him, I also attended CA Sanidhya Saraf's revision lectures. So I really like that also. So if you are planning to take classes from him, he is also very nice and his books are also really nice. Apart from him, I have also attended the revision lectures of Darshan sir. That also I really liked, and I also took certain demo lectures, but I was not able to understand his language properly, so that is why I did not take classes from him. But if you are comfortable, then you can go for him. Apart from them, CA Gupta sir also takes the law classes. I also attended his classes on Unacademy and they were also really helpful for me in clearing the concepts very nicely and in revising all the concepts which I have earlier covered. So you can go for him also. If you have taken classes from any other faculty of law, then you can share your experience below in the comment section so that other students can also benefit from it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.